I was hoping to get some lightning in here for you, but I don't know if there's going to be any. There's been a couple of little pieces, but this isn't really all that abnormal for us anyway. Holy shit.